Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to block websites on your Android phone. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for AppBlock app. This app is completely free. So download it and open it right now. Now tap on Get Started and tap on Create a Profile. Under Blocking Conditions, tap Select and select a condition. I'll choose Time. And select All Days. I'll just add a time. You can add more than one period. So I'll add another time period. Now tap Save. Now you have to select the apps or website you want to block. Select the app and it will automatically select the website too. Now to block website, tap on Webs and type in the URL and tap Save. You can also block the websites from App section. Select an app and deselect the app and you'll see the website icon will automatically be enabled. You can also fine-tune your blocking options like launching of application, notification, and also website. Now set a profile name and tap Create. Now you have to allow some permissions. When you are done, this will be your home page. Now scroll down and tap on Quick Block and tap on the plus icon. Now select the app or website you want to block and tap Save. You can also add another apps and enable by tapping on Off. Now tap on Skip. And your blocks will be added. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.